Hey guys, Logan here, back with another video. Today, we're going to be making this infinity cube. It folds forever and ever. And I'll show you how to do it. Let's take it apart. Okay, I just finished taking it apart, and here are the pieces you need. You need 24 1x2 tiles. You need 24 1x2 plates. You need 8 hinge bricks. And you need 8 1x2 bracket sort of piece. So first you want to get 2 1x2 plates and you want to put them together like this so they're on top of each other. And then what you want to do is you want to put it on the back of the bracket and do that 8 times. I'll be right back. Okay, so as you can see, I've done that with all 8 brackets. And now what you want to do is you want to get one bracket and face it sideways, and one bracket facing towards you, like that. Then put a hinge brick where the bulb is facing where the gap is, like so. So then it'll hinge that way. And then you want to get another 1x2. You want to place it right on there. Now do that again. I'll show you one more time. You want to put one facing this way and one facing this way, like so. And then you want to get a hinge and you want to put the bulb part facing out to where there's this gap. You want the bulb facing that way. Then you get a 1x2 plate. Then you put it right there. Now you do the opposite. So this time you face it this way instead of the other way and put it like this. Then you want to put the bulb on the hinge facing towards the gap. So it hinges like that. Then you want to do that again. I'll show you. So you got to face it this way. Then you got to face this like that. And where the gap is, you want to put the bulb over the hinge. Like so. Then you want to get one more 1x2 plate and put it like that. Now you get the two different versions. Place them next to each other like this. Then what you want to do is you want to get a hinge. Make sure it's facing like this, where the bulb is right there. And you have to put it on so one side goes right there. So like when you did this, you just turn it upwards and then you put the hinge right there. Then for this one, when you did this, face it upwards and put the other side of the hinge there. Now do that one more time. So when you got this one, you face it upwards, get a hinge, put it right there where the bulb is facing out, and do that. Then you get this one, face it upwards, and then place it on. Now what you want to do is you want to get for this, you want to get 2 tile pieces and put them on top of the hinge. Once again, a tile piece on top of the hinge, and make sure the hinge still works. Then for the other one, you also get 2 tiles to put on the hinge. Then make sure it still works. Now what you want to do is you want to get a 1x2 plate, and you see the bracket on the end. Make sure it's on the bottom, and you place the 1x2 plate on the bottom. Then you do that for every single one. So this one, once again, you see the bracket and then you see the bottom. You put it at the bottom. Then you get a bracket. you look at the bottom and you place the 1x2 on the bottom. You get the bracket, you look at the bottom, then you place it on the bottom. Then what you want to do is you want to make sure, so you get both of them right. Make sure the bulbs are facing down and they look like they're connecting like this. Then what you want to do is you want to get a hinge. You place it in between them and make sure if the bulbs are facing down, this bulb is facing up. Now do that for the other side. Make sure the bulbs are facing down, so this bulb face up. Then what you want to do is you want to turn it upwards where the hinge goes. Then you see these two bulbs, fold it. Now get this side and put some plates on there. It doesn't matter how you do it, as long as you make sure there's a gap for the opening. So let's look. Can this hinge still function? It can. Now put the ones on the bottom. Can it still function? Yes, it can. So then do that for the other side. Can it still function? Yes, it can. Can it still function? Yes, it can. Now for the last part, the bottom. So you make sure you put the 1x2s in like a line. So does the hinge still work? The hinge, wait. Does the hinge still work? It does. And then you put some more tiles on. Does it still work? Yes, it does. So now you want to make it to where these two bulbs are facing up and the flat ground is down. Then you want to pull these outwards. Then make this flip like this. Then pull down and then turn it and then do the same thing. Outwards, down, and then like that. Okay, that is my infinity cube tutorial. Hope you guys liked it, and always remember, spread the brick love.